Good morning, students. Reported speech. This topic is one of the most pivotal topics for the ICSE Council examinations because out of this topic, one question is sure shot, comes definitely for the assessment in Council board examinations. So, let us try to understand it thoroughly so that we are able to solve any of the questions which are aroused from this topic. Let's proceed. What is reported speech? Let us try to understand. What is reported speech? Reported speech is a way how we report what someone has said. How? By changing some of the words said but retaining the same meaning. So in the PowerPoint presentation, you can see the highlighted lines. How do we change? We change by changing the words but retaining the same meaning. So let us try to understand. For example, this boy, he asks a question. Could you help me? Now, let us suppose the name of this boy is Alan. And he asks a question. What did Alan ask us? Alan asked us to help him. Check out this question. Could you help him? Sorry, could you help me? Is the question. Direct speech, and asked is reported speech. So we have converted direct speech into indirect speech. Now reported requests, offers has to be understood. So when we report offers, promises, threats, etc., we can use the structure reporting verb plus to infinitive that we have seen in the last example. Now, again, can I help you? The peon asks. What did the woman say to us? She offered to help us. So check out the line offered. This is a reporting verb, and to help us. To is infinitive. To plus verb in the first form. The reporting verbs that we can use in this structure include offer, promise, agree, refuse, etc. Now, I'll work harder. What did Jackie say? He promised to work harder. Say has been converted into promised. Now, reported orders, requests. When we report orders, requests, warning, advice, invitation, etc., we can use the structure. What is the structure? Reporting verb plus object plus to infinitive. Can you tell me how to read the word John? What did the girl say? The girl asked John to tell her how to read the word. So you can see the change in the indirect speech where to plus infinitive has been used. Asked, that is reporting verb. John, object plus to infinitive. So the change of pronoun. How have we used her here is the point of interrogation. Now, the reporting verbs that we can use in this structure include tell, ask, order, warn, remind, advise, invite, etc. Now, Amy, I think you should do your homework. What did the mother say to Amy? Mother advised Amy to do her homework. Say has been converted into advised. Reporting negative orders, promises, advice. In negative orders, promises, requests, etc., we use the structure not plus to infinitive. Like, don't eat too much sweet, doctor said. What did the dentist ask Joe? The dentist asked Joe not to eat too much sweet. So check out the structure not plus to infinitive. Changes of pronouns that we were about to discuss. In reported speech, we usually need to change the pronouns. Example, I, you, me, this, these, etc. And possessive adjectives too. Example, my, your, etc. We usually change the pronouns from first person, I, me, or second person, you, your, into third person, we, us. However, we do not need to change the first person pronoun I when the speaker is reporting his or her own words. For example, please be careful when you pass me the box. What did the woman say to the man? She asked him to be careful when he passes her the box. Right? What did Joan promise? Joan said, I will work out the programs in 2 minutes. Joan promised to work out the program in 2 minutes. I'll sign the contract. What did the man agree? These are the oral drills for you to practice. He agreed to sign the contract. Let me teach you. What did Jackie say? Jackie offered to teach the children. What did the doctor say? Please pass me the bandage, David. The doctor advised David to pass him the bandage. So me has been converted into him. Mr. Chan, you shouldn't smoke again. What did the doctor advise Mr. Chan? The doctor advised Mr. Chan not to smoke again. What did Susan say? Please get me down, Tim. She asked Tim to get her down. Tim, don't shoot the balloons. She asked Tim not to shoot the balloons. She asked him to get her down and not to shoot the balloons. We have joined the sentence. Don't be afraid. What did the vet say? Vet means veterinary doctor. He asked the dog not to be afraid. Don't move. He asked the dog not to move. So he asked the dog not to be afraid and move. Thank you very much.